Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to log in to Weebly, whether you're managing your website, updating content, or checking your site's performance. Knowing how to access your Weebly account quickly is essential. Let's walk through the simple steps to get you logged in and ready to work. First, open your web browser and head over to Weebly.com. Once the page loads, look toward the upper right corner of the screen where you'll see the login button. This button is your gateway to accessing your Weebly account and all your website projects. Go ahead and click on it to proceed to the login screen. After clicking login, you'll be taken to a page where you need to enter your credentials. In the first field, type in your email address or username associated with your Weebly account. Make sure you enter this information correctly to avoid any login issues. Once you've entered your email or username, click the next button to move forward. Now, here's where Weebly gives you some flexibility. If you prefer, you can skip the traditional login method and use a social media account instead. Weebly allows you to log in with Facebook, Google, or even Square. Simply click on whichever option you prefer, and you'll be redirected to authenticate through that platform. This method can save you time if you're already logged into one of these services. If you chose to continue with the traditional login method, the next screen will prompt you to enter your password. Type in the password associated with your Weebly account in the designated field. Double check that your caps lock isn't on and that you're entering the password exactly as you created it. Once you've entered your password, click the login button to access your account, and there you have it. You're now on your Weebly homepage where you can manage all your websites, edit pages, and access all the tools you need to keep your site running smoothly. From here, you have full control over your web presence and can start working on whatever project you have in mind. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.